You know how some moisturizers just sit on your skin? Maybe they build up, maybe they even pill. Well, I was just gifted Round Labs Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream, and I cannot tell you how amazing this is. The first piece that I love is this really goes in like water. And that's thanks to the birch juice in this. It is rich in amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants, and my skin absorbs it so quickly. It feels almost cooling, exceptionally hydrating. There's no smell at all. This is perfect for sensitive skin, for preventing redness and irritation. I also love that this does support my skin barrier and it just makes my skin feel younger, fresher, gives me a little bit of my bounce back. I think it's just how exceptionally hydrating it is and how I can just keep layering it on and my skin just keeps absorbing it. My skin loves this cream. Now, I was gifted this, like I said at the beginning, and I will definitely be getting more. I already know and love Round Labs sunscreen. I've used that for years. So of course I should have been trying more products from Round Lab because this is one incredible Korean brand. And if you are looking for high-end Korean skincare that won't break the bank, this Birch Juice moisturizing cream should be on the top of your list.